What's the meaning of ba? Va. Va.
Ba. Ba. Ba is an exclamation often used to express disdain, disgust or disappointment. It's a short and sharp sound that conveys a sense of dismissal or rejection towards something or someone. The tone and context in which it's used can vary, but it generally communicates a negative sentiment. Ba can also be accompanied by other phrases or gestures to further emphasize the speaker's frustration or dissatisfaction. Overall, ba is a simple yet effective way to convey a negative feeling towards a situation or individual.